Do you see that?
Oh, not Daryl.
Oh,
Yes, but don't worry. We'll figure it out.
I hope so. Oh, Grandma Cat, are you okay? You ready?
Ready.
Do you understand?
Yes.
Yes. Ready. Good, let's go. Keep it down. Got it. Time for a little gardening makeover. Behold, Mimi, the blueprint for our magnificent future. Needs more water. Precisely what I was...
The garden is parched. Look, the spigot is broken. We must fix it.
I understand. I'll get the tools. Time to get to work.
Okay, here it is. That's some tough dirt. Not giving up yet.
Hold tight, Mimi. I've got you.
Thank you, Lunar. Together? Together. I'm coming to help. Luna? Thanks, it's stuck. Together, we can do it. Keep pulling. It's almost loose. I'm trying. It's so heavy. Lunar, are you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine. Just a little trip.
I'm all right.
See? Good to go.
Help, it's stuck. Won't turn. Won't turn. Oh, dear. Meow. Creak. Yep. Splash. Slap. Slapping. This fence needs fixing. Let's see what we can do here. This branch is heavy, but I'll do it. There, now the path is clear. All right, time to fix this. Push, push, almost. Got it. I'm here. Hold on. You got this, Mimi. We got this together. much. Wow! Look at that! They actually did it! It's so pretty!
Well, well, looks like our path is blocked. A thorny problem indeed, but nothing a hero can't handle.
This one looks promising. Right here. Together, Mimi! Ready, Lunar! Up and over! Almost there! Together! On it. On it.
I am not afraid.
Did you hear that? Grandma Cat is awake.
No, 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 she can't be.
Meow. Shh. Meow. 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 Almost there, Mimi. Meow. Look, Lunar, we did it! Meow. Just a little more. Come on, Mimi. It's beautiful over here. Are you sure it's safe, Lunar? Keep close, Mimi.
It's so beautiful here, Lunar.
Achoo. Bless you. Meow. Ow, meow. No. Meow. You did great, Mimi. Thanks, Lunar. Anytime. You have a leaf there. Oh, I didn't see that. Thanks.
All clean.
Looks much better, thank you, Mimi. Look, Mimi, there it is. Wow. Wow. Let's go check it out. Okay.
I see you hiding over there.
Keep up, little one. The adventure awaits. I'm right here with you, Lunar.
Don't worry, little Mimi. It's just the garden.
But I saw something.
Come on, I'm right here.
Look, Mimi, an old path. Oh, Lunar, it goes to the shed.
Not as stable as it looks. Don't worry, I've got this. All right, Mimi, we're here.
Oh, Lunar, it looks scary.
Don't worry, I'll protect you.
Well, now, look what we have here. A challenge. All right, Mimi, this is it.
Wow.
Wow, it's so big.
Don't worry, Mimi. I'll keep you safe.
Thanks, Lunar.
I must be brave. I'm there for them. Time to clean this place up. Just need to get a grip on these weeds.
Got it.
Looks better already.
This is a nice wood chip. I'll keep this one safe. Goodbye for now.
I remember this, a gift from life.
Let's make sure this is put away properly.
Okay, Lunar, I'll help.
Mimi whispers.
Lunar whispers.
I don't know. Sorry. Sorry.
It was just the wind.
Oh, I thought it was something else.
No, just the wind. Let's keep working.
Finally got it. That's better.
I wish I could see through this. Just a little glimpse. Oh, well.
What was that sound? It's back! No! 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 No!
Help! Someone is there!
Ah,
It's just me.
don't worry.
Do you hear that? What is that sound?
Lunar? Lunar? Where are you?
Right here, Mimi. What's wrong?
What's that sound?
Footsteps in the garden, slow, careful.
What's this?
Oh! Whoa! What was that? Whoa!
Did you see that?
Lunar, what did you hear? It sounded like a crash.
I heard it too, Mimi. What happened?
Something fell over there beyond the fence.
We need to investigate. Stay close.
I will tell you. Who?
Wait, what's that noise?
The lock. It's moving.
I'm scared.
Don't worry, little one. I'm here now.
I got this.
Okay, I trust you.
I can't.
Something's happening. The door's about to break.
Time for an adventure, Mimi.
Look at all the dust, Lunar.
That's a cold one. What could it be?
Keep your distance.
Hold! The sound stopped.
What was that?
Something's out there.